day, philosophers, we are here in our repetition on human embodiment that acts in the world. So first, our thesis is that our body, we are not just mind that thinks. I am a person who moves, acts, and affects the world through my body. So what we mean to say is that what we do every day, what I do every day, whether small or big matters, my action shape my life and the lives of those around me.
An illustrative personal example is when there was a time when I saw an old man struggling to carry his bags up a flight and stairs. I hesitated for a moment, then decided to help. He looked at me, smiled, and said, "Thank you, son." That simple moment stuck with me. And our insight is, it made me realize that my body is not just for me. Its show interact with the world. A small act like lending a hand can bring comfort and connection.
And an implication of that, or an application, I don't have to do something grand to make a difference. My presence, my actions, and how I use my body can bring change, even in the smallest ways. So therefore we conclude that being human means acting, moving, and engaging with life. What I do with my body is a reflection of who I am. And that would be all. Thank you.